Good afternoon, everybody. Doak Cooks. Why am I zoomed in tight on a Snickers bar? What episode is this? What's going on? Well, so something that Doak does, aside from cook, is Doak also eats. And Doak has a very weird habit of eating and how I eat. I like very simple, easy to go things. If my ham sandwich obsession hasn't already shown through in my videos, or at least an undercurrent of an obsession with ham, it should have already come through. I often eat foods that are very simple and easy to come by. I have a very easy series of pre-defined meals that I will partake, indulge in, the highest of high qualities. I do maintain some of the classics. But in this case, a high-powered protein bar is part of my stable. It is part of my repertoire. It is a go-to. We were on a road trip recently, and I thought, why not? I will have a high-protein Snickers bar. Why not? That sounds great. I've been eating protein bars for at least 20 years. Snickers must have cracked it. Why would a brand like Snickers not crack the protein bar equation? Well, they haven't. So I got halfway through, and as you can see, anyone who's eaten a peanut butter protein bar, this is exactly what it looks like. This shouldn't say Snickers. I mean, this could say anything. I'm irritated and frustrated with the brand. Shame on you, Snickers. Shame on you, because this tastes terrible. This is not good. Might I have actually liked this if I had had zero expectations? Maybe, but I will never buy that again. I will never eat that again. I still love Snickers. I'm still a big fan of the brand, but nope, not today. So here's a PSA. Don't get this. Don't eat this. There are better protein bars, and I actually checked my pantry, and I'm all out at the moment, so I can't even showcase the Special K peanut butter protein bar that is epically good, that I have been happily consuming for years. I'll get into that on another video. So, short video. It's Sunday. Enjoy your afternoons wherever you are. Stay tuned for next more in-depth video where I actually prepare something, not just complain about a brand that has screwed something up. Thanks, everybody.